Hello guys, my name is Mohsin Sipra. 1 week ago I shared a video how to calculate basically the speed using object detection. Uh, like in case of vehicle, how speed can be calculated. So in that post, many of the users asked me about where is the source code or how the speed is coming correct or it's really accurate or not. So in that I replied to many of the users about it, and I asked them that I will be working on a vlog or a video explaining how it is working. So first of all, the the video that I have shared was linked to a vlog. So RoboFlow, on RoboFlow they have posted a vlog related to how the speed was basically being calculated using basically computer vision and through simple maths. So basically, if I in short I tell you, they have created basically two matrices, first for basically the video itself, and then they have created a matrix for basically the evaluation of the speed. So you can I will share this link in the description of this video. You can view it as well. So they also shared basically a ready-made um, Jupyter notebook that we can work on, and so there were some issues related to the version of the packages. So I basically updated it a little bit. I will share the latest code with you. So there were some issues in the version, so the provided Jupyter notebook is not working as expected, but I will share the latest updates with this file and on my GitHub, so you can view there. So if I quickly go through the basically the whole file, you can see here, you can basically I have added a upload option for your own testing video. You can test your own video, or the video you can also use the assets video that they have used uh, in their vlog. The video that I have posted was also of this video from their assets. You can also upload from here. So basically, as I told earlier, you can view the details how it is working on their vlog, but I can tell you, for each video you have to adjust the coordinates accordingly. So like here, the video's dimension were 3840 width, and height was 2160. Now for this video they have calculated a distance of the road around 25 meter, and here the the approximate length of the road they basically estimated was 250 meter. And so by using this they have created this the second target matrix. So this matrix is used to evaluate the speed of the vehicles. uh, if you are working on a new video or you have a new video of your own, you have to basically, like here, these are the default that for this particular video. So you have to update this these source and target accordingly. Like here you see the demo video, and now here you see my video, test video. So for the test video I have updated the distance and the width, and also the source matrix accordingly. So here you can see mm, see the the boundary is really wide, and the length of the road is very much greater. in this video you see that the length of the road is much shorter, so I have adjusted the coordinate according to it. I will share the link of the second video also on my GitHub. You can test it. After that, what I get was good results. Like it was working fine, but to make it more accurate, I think you have to work on these parameters like the source, target width, and target height, because it will depend video to video, because here the resolution is different as compared to this video. So it will depend on on your video. If you want to deploy on your own test video, you have to adjust these parameters. I hope I clear the points. You can run it. I will share the link with you for of this updated Jupyter notebook. And also, if you want any help related to how to run this Jupyter notebook, you can contact me. And thanks for watching.